So Bharat Buildcon is not only just a platform or an exhibition forum, but it is also going to contribute in a big way in new construction technology, green sustainable practices. My name is Preeti Singh. I'm the Additional Director General at Naredco National. So Naredco is proud to associate with Bharat Buildcon. Naredco stands for National Council for Real Estate Development, and we work under the patronage of Honorable Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. We are truly grateful and proud to have the Honorable Housing Minister Shri Manohar Lal Khattar Sahab as a chief patron, and the Naredco's governing council is governed under the dynamic leadership of joint secretaries and additional secretaries. Naredco's vision and mission is to address the industry issues and take it forward and put it across to the Honorable Ministry and resolve the real estate challenges and growth issues what the members, builders and developers are facing, to work towards the betterment of the sector to build the better nation Bharat. See, the women contribution in particular, when you talk about the real estate sector, in Naredco we have a women wing called Naredco Mahi. We started this women wing almost like 5 years ago to change the perception that the real estate sector is a male dominated sector. Not only in the real estate sector, which is directly related to growth story in building the nation, but in the indirect sector where ancillaries are also, the women contribution have always been immense. Women contribution and role is immense, and we are truly grateful to our dynamic leadership also to have that faith and also to give the chance. Bharat Buildcon, under the dynamic leadership of the Honorable and one of the most dynamic minister, Shri Piyush Goyal ji, the Ministry Commerce and Industry is supporting this initiative. The Ministry Housing Urban Affairs supporting this initiative means that we want this particular platform not to be only promoting building material suppliers, or it is not just a business platform to display, but it is going to be a launch pad for the entire world to come to India for import and export. We are inviting more than 20 countries, more than 1500 builders and developers to participate in this mega festival. Take on the best of the technology. The kind of exhibitors are participating over here from all across different verticals which is contributing to the sector. HVAC industry, the lighting industry, we have the paint industry, we have floor industry, and list goes on. So mostly top 10 to top 20 building material suppliers are participating. Super brands, the growing brands, the affordable brands are participating and displaying not only their product, but they are also displaying the green and sustainable product, which is also the main vision of our Honorable Minister. So they are basically focusing on 3 things, the participants. Number 1, technology, of course. We are also going to have the skylines, which will seen as India as the fastest growing real estate sector, as we already have not only our states like Delhi, but we have other metropolitan cities also, tier 2 and tier 3 cities, which is growing at the growth rate of 70%. So considering the smart city vision, considering the global vision of Indian government, the global vision of our Honorable Chairman Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani, that the Indian real estate is going to put a mark, a landmark. We are promoting green building sustainability. We are going to be focusing on learning more about the new construction technology through Bharat Buildcon. Earlier, we used to go to other countries exploring the new building material, exploring new construction technology. But if we get the same platform here in India in form of Bharat Buildcon, it is a win-win. It has to be made in India. It has to be basically our money should be spent here in India so that our growth story will be written in golden words. So Bharat Buildcon is not only just a platform or an exhibition forum, but it is also going to contribute in a big way in new construction technology, green sustainable practices. So basically the decision of contributing to Bharat Buildcon in form of a conference was taken initially that we do not only want to promote Bharat Buildcon as a business platform. We also wanted to collaborate with Bharat Buildcon to utilize this platform to address the real estate issues, the building material issues, and also start working on policy advocacy. Let us understand what our government expects from us. Let us understand the kind of challenges we are facing from the grassroots level as an industry, and let us address those issues to our honorable ministry. Three things. Number one, technology. Number two, the AI. Third one, the network. We want to put people at a right place or a right time with right people to convert into the success story. Dear ladies, you are at a right place. The story has changed. You can be whatever you want to be. So go by your heart. In most of the regions where the real estate sector is actually contributing in the biggest way in the GDP also. Having said that, now since we are the biggest sector contributing to the overall growth story of our country, of course the demand always going to increase. We are truly grateful to the Honorable Minister Shri Piyush Goyal ji and the Honorable Chief Patron Shri Manohar Lal Khattar ji for accepting the invitation to grace the program on 18th and 19th of June, and we look forward to see you all over there. Thank you.